Hi everyone, welcome to Dapp Library. This is another episode, another week. This time we have, correct me if I'm pronouncing it wrong, David, but it's Zezu, right? David, are
Keep
you?
going, Jess.
Yeah, it's Zezu, right?
Yeah, Zezu.
All right. So we have David from Zezu here. Uh, Welcome David here. And so how we'll start this is maybe a small introduction about yourself. Where are you from? And then we can begin into the discussions of what Zezu is, the team, and everything about Zezu. So please go ahead, introduce yourself.
Okay, awesome. Hi everyone, and the Shardeum team. So, thanks for having me today. I want to start by introducing a little bit about myself and our project. I'm David, the CPO of the Zezu NFT Marketplace. Zezu is a one-stop for all things NFT. Is built by the community and for the community. So currently, we are doing our best to enhance user experience, both UI, UX, and performance. Our app is a place for people can be creative and curious. The users can easily join us with a seamless and intuitive experience on mobile and web applications. So as far as we know right now, we are in very few active energy marketplace is currently working on the test net. And to be honest, we are in the very first step to build the community. And that would be great if we can receive a lot of support from the community to give us any feedback to improve our products. So, to talk about our experience and about my team, before entering Web3, we used to join many projects, especially in the finance and education as well. In those projects, we need to design the system with the ability to serve a million users. And we used to apply a lot of technologies such as big data, AI, and cloud services, especially with the requirement to serve a million users. And regarding the experience in the Web3, we started together to doing some projects a few years ago. We have excellent expertise and passion for blockchain technologies. Used to develop a lot of decentralized applications built on Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Solana, Binance application sidechains. And actually, our journey started by creating a game 5 for people can easily join our game 5 and earn money from that game. And then we developed an NFT marketplace on chain for users can trade their items very conveniently. And the team has deep experience in dealing with Web3 on chain, and we strongly believe in our ability to build the NFT marketplace for the community, and that's why we choose to build the NFT marketplace on the Shardeum. And the reason why we choose Shardeum because Shardeum is an EVM blockchain that provides the lower gas fees forever by the dynamic stage sharding. And I think the NFT marketplace plays a vital role for helping users can interact with the shadow. And I'm very glad to be a part of the event today to introducing about our project. And that's it.
Sounds interesting. I mean, definitely, Shardium needs an NFT marketplace like Zezu. But, before we get there, I want to understand the team behind, people building Zezu. How many people are there? Where are you folks based out of? How are the things going? Everything about uh, Zezu itself.
Yeah. So to talk about our team, we currently have over 20 guys. We are a global team, and as mentioned before, we have strong experience in develop some projects in both Web 2 and Web 3. Especially in Web 2, we need to deal with the problem to serve a million users with the finance application and education application as well. And especially we choose to apply the microservices infrastructure to easily scale our platform to serve millions of users. And in the Web3, we also have a lot of experience in develop some application to serve a lot of users. And as I said before, we choose to create Game 5 with about over 100,000 users can play together, and we also created the NFT marketplaces, or users can easily trade their items on our Game 5. And that's why we firmly believe in our ability to develop an outstanding NFT marketplace on the Shadow network. And that's it.
Sounds interesting. Um, so like as you mentioned, you've already handled more than 100K people, right? In Web3 itself. So that's a lot, and hopefully, once Shardeum launches and once Zezu launches on top of it, we'll see more numbers than definitely just than 100K. So that's there. But okay, coming back to a question that I wanted to ask you. Since Zezu's launch, how has been the response so far? So I also want to know, is Zezu only being built on Shardium, or are there other blockchains as well? And if yes, how has been the overall response so far?
Okay, so frankly, right now our Jeju and marketplace is well designed for the Shardeum network, and we just launched our platform a couple of weeks ago, and the community is well received, and we receive a lot of positive feedbacks from our community and the NFT collection as well. And as you know, we launched our two collections. The first one named Zezu Soul from my team, and the other one is Galactic Core. And both of those NFT collections was well received by the community, and the communities give it a lot of compliments about the UI UX, beautiful UI UX, and the performance as well. And besides that, we are working very closely with the Shardeum Dapp team to improve the performance. And then sometimes you guys know that the performance of the network is not stable right now because it's still on the test net. But with the support from the Shardeum core team, we improve our performance, and right now the community is able to trade NFT on our platform is very smoothly now, and that's it.
Even like we will come to the UI UX of Jeju later. Even I have gone through it. It looks very good. And like as you mentioned about Galactico, they've been building for a very long time now on Shardium. So definitely good to see them finally getting listed on a testnet. But one thing that I wanted to ask you, it's about, so like as you mentioned, it's built by the community and for the community. What exactly do you mean by that? If you can throw some lights there.
Yeah. So actually, right now we are on the Web3. We are on the decentralized world, right? And actually, in our beginning plan, we want to create the community-driven everything we build for the community. For example, we have the Discord channel. We used to receive a lot of feedback from the community, and we used to listen to them. And after discussing in our team, we will make a decision what we need to do to improve the UI UX for conveniently for users can use our application. For example, about the way we serve some guys keen on using mobile device instead of using mobile app instead of using web application, and we are going to release mobile versions very soon to serve some guys like that. And with a mobile device, they can do everything in our platform. They don't need to stay at home and use the computer. So that is something I can strongly believe that we can compete with the other NFT marketplaces right now on the Shardeum network. And actually, I think the communities plays a vital role in the way we serve everyone, and we really like the way we can serve them and make them happy to trade their NFTs on our platform. So that's why we call our MT marketplace is community driven or community first MT marketplace, and that's it.
Interesting. Definitely. So, a lot of feedbacks, and you, like as you mentioned, you've been listening a lot to the community. Uh, I would want to talk about some, tangible marketing strategies that you guys have right now, or you will have, or you will implement in the future as the network goes live. So, what do you have to say about that?
Yeah, for sure. With the page's purpose to build the community driven MT marketplace, we
We can
have
finally
our
see people joining in. I'm sorry to interrupt, but yeah, please go ahead.
yeah, okay. So with our page's purpose to build the community driven NFT marketplace, our strategies for fostering the growth of Jeju NFT marketplace within the Shadum community includes several key elements.
Plan to work on
So
creating
first one, we want to create community engagement. That means we prioritize active engagement with the Shadum community through regular updates, discussions, and feedback sessions. This will help us understand what exactly the community need from the NFT marketplace. And that plays very vital role to attract a lot of users coming to our platform to use our platform for trading NFT. So the secondly is about the quality and variety. And the most important with any projects on the Web3 is about the quality and the trust with that project. Because without trust, without quality, we can commit anything with the community. So with us, quality and variety is very important. And right now we are focusing on offering high quality NFT collection with various unique and desirable assets. And this appears through different tastes and interests with the community. And we definitely know that the qualifier of NFT collections will join us is very important, especially when we determine that we will become the community driven empty marketplace, and the quality and variety empty collections will be very important with us. And the third one is partnerships. We have the strategy to collab with strategic partnerships with the joint projects to bring a lot of benefits each other. For example, the Zezu community will leverage a lot of benefits when we collab with the strong projects, especially with Galactic Coin is the biggest example. We try to connect with them via the recommendation from the Shardeum core team. And after working with them, we realized that the partnerships will be very useful for us to making us become the community driven NFT marketplace when we have strong partnership and the close partnership with the big projects on the Shardeum network. And the last but not least, about the marketplace improvements. And as I have just mentioned before, we are the community driven empty marketplace. And that means we will listen to every feedbacks from the community to build us day by day better. And we use to listen to update us day by day to improve our performance as well. So I think that by implementing these strategies, we aim to foster organic growth of our empty marketplace, and we will have the shadow ecosystem to bring a lot of traction, and especially with someone who are not familiar with the blockchain, they can easily join Zezu by their mobile devices, and they can start to learn a lot of interesting about the shadow network, and that's it.
Definitely. That sounds like a plan. Now that we have talked about a lot of things already, we've talked about how you guys are focusing on marketing the product. What exactly is the purpose behind Zezu? And then we also discussed how amazing UI UX is for how Zezu is performing so far. So what we'll do is, I mean, if you can share your screen, take us through Zezu right now. That would be great.
Definitely, it's our pleasure. Let me share you guys about our website, and that would be very great for us if after our stage today you can come to us and enjoy our empty marketplace and give us any feedbacks. We really appreciate your help. Okay, let me share my screen now. So wait me a minute. Hey Jazz, why I'm not able to share my screen?
I think you should be able to share your screen. I'm not sure why you can't. Hmm. Let me check.
Okay, let
I,
me
I
check
I
it.
think I think I think you can. Like you have the uh access to share the screen.
Okay.
Just let me know if you can't, and
Mm-hmm. So, okay. Please go to tab.
yeah,
Okay,
I
I
think you
see, I see.
have the access to share the screen.
Okay.
There you go.
Hey guys, can you see my screen now?
Yes, we can. Let's go.
Okay. So, it is our website, and currently we have just released our web application for the community. And in our upcoming plan, we are going to release our mobile device support to use to support the guys working on using mobile device instead of use web application. But right now, you can totally join us and mint NFT and trade NFT via our platform. So you can see right now we got two collection, one from the Jew from us, and another one belongs to our strategic partner, Galacticon. So let me demo from the users' behavior when they come to our platform. they will join our launchpad to mint NFT, right? So this is the GUIs for mint NFT, and we have just finished the launch of the Galactic Core collection. Almost NFT was minted. So after minting NFT, the users will be able to trade their NFT via Explore NFT collection. So you can see right now I want you to see the NFTs is currently trade on our platform. Yeah, there are two items are trading on our platform because there are a lot of people are aiming to hold the Galactic Core NFT because the CEO of this project announced that someone's whole special NFT collection will be able to join the free mint when the Shardeum mainnet is released. And that's why right now there are few NFTs are traded on our platform. So if you want to check a whole of your NFT, you can go to my items. Yeah, you can see right now I have over 7 NFTs, and it's so great. I really like those NFT. It's so cool. So our websites also offer the dark mode or the the white mode. It will very useful for people can easily set up the theme they want. Yeah, so that is something I want to share with you guys about our current launchpad and NFT marketplace. And to be honest, we really believe in ourselves and our ability to develop the community-driven NFT marketplace, built by the community and for the community as well. And that's it.
Got it, got it. It looks interesting. I mean, even I've gone through it. I can also see something called faucet SHM. So that's interesting. That you folks also have this faucet enabled on your platform. That just helps people up with the claiming SHM from the platform itself. So that's great.
Yes, yeah.
Hmm.
Thank you
And
so much.
what's up with these ranking, launchpad, explore tabs that we can see here?
Okay. So yeah, exploring if you want to see how many empty collections is now available on us, you will click to the explore and the ranking. We are ranking the empty collections based on the total trading volume. So yeah, you can easily see that the ranking system and the statistic numbers of those empty collections listed on us. And on the launchpad, you will see the upcoming, the coming launchpad on us. And about the airdrop, is really very useful for people who are curious and excited about airdrop. But right now we have not announced any information related to our airdrop. So that will be very interesting thing. The community can expect in the future we will airdrop for the community, and we are gonna probably release our coin, and everything can happen in the future. And via our launchpad, the users can easily process the testnet, and they don't need to go to the Shardeum Discord and process via the Shardeum Discord, and they can process the testnet token on our platform as well.
Interesting. I think yeah, that's pretty much it. You folks are still on the development part of things, and as Shardeum also keeps on evolving over time, and as we are moving ahead to the a road to mainnet, I think Zezu should be ready. NFT collection should be ready on this platform, and then we should be ready to go, right? We should. The only thing that would we've been the community has been supporting us for a very long time now, so and they're definitely waiting for the mainnet. So once the mainnet is here, a lot of people are gonna join in, a lot of people will see a lot of engagement here as well, so looking forward to that. And I think that's pretty much it what I wanted to talk about. If there's anything else that you would like to add, please feel free to, um, or we'll just conclude this and end today's Tap Library.
Yeah. So as I just mentioned before, we are on the very first step to build the community, and we really want to receive a lot of support from the community. And please go to our platform to join and try to test our platform and give us any feedbacks if you want to change something in our platform for better serve the community. And we really appreciate your help to enhance our application. So really thank you guys for joining our event today. And that's it.
Awesome. It was great having you here, David. Thank you so much for taking us through Zezu. Thank you so much for letting us know what Zezu exactly is. And looking forward to connect with you in future as well. Looking forward to all the people who have joined us today. To see them in future Tab Library episodes as well. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a great day. See you next week. Bye bye.
Yeah, thank